Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Libra. So, topic of the reading is going to be what are their true intentions, whoever it is that you're dealing with, current, ex, somebody from the past, whoever it is that you want to see this reading for, you can check that for them. But yeah, whoever it is that you have on your mind and you really wonder what do they intend to have with you? Do they want a friendship? Do they want to take it to the next level? What is it that they deeply desire to have with you? We're going to tap into all of that. We will also take some oracle cards and charms as well. So stay tuned. And now, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on the Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see, Libras. What are their true intentions? Whatever it is that you have on your mind, let's find out. Tower. They don't know what do they want with you. You know, all they know is when they are with you, they are fighting. When they are without, without you, they are upset. So it's more of that energy where they don't know what do they want with you. They cannot stay with you. They cannot stay away from you. So that's them. Um, it's more like you argue, you pick a fight, you have a lot of addicted energy towards each other. So it's more like you both might have been going on and off very badly. Like one day you're good, the other day you're off. So that's the connection's energy. It seems like they don't know what to wish out of it because somehow this sometimes feels like maybe the base of the connection is not strong enough, which can even if you pick up argument, even if you pick a fight, maybe you should still stay together, but somehow maybe the base of the connection is not so strong. But then there is a because of addiction, because of the you are so addicted to this person, you cannot stay away from this person. That could be the reason why you come back together and then you don't sort out the things that needs to be sorted out, and that's the reason why you kind of keep on going in circles with each other. So I feel like um, this person really doesn't know what they want with you. All they know is they don't like it without you, and they have to be with you for sure. So how to keep it balanced, stable, happy, fulfilling, that's something that they don't want to even think about because they are so immature is what I'm picking up. Let's see more cards. There's strong love in this connection. Two of Cups. They do love you a lot, and they somehow feel like it's maybe it has become a belief that that's how we are, that's how we are. We always fight, we always come back together. So if that has become a belief, trust me, it's going to stay the same. If you want to bring some change in the connection, if you want to bring some stability in the connection, you have to start working towards it, by building the foundation of the connection, which is kind of missing in this connection, it seems like. Which is why it gets very shaky. Maybe you don't have a bond of friendship there. It's more, it could be for some of you, maybe it's more of a sexual connection. But yes, I don't say that it's more of a sexual connection as if there is no love. It's more like there is love, but love is kind of not expressed openly. There is this addiction, sexual addiction could be the case for some of you as well. That is basically which brings you two together again, but then you pull apart, then you come together, then you pull apart, then you come together. So there has been less to no talking at all, which is the reason why, since you have not built that foundation of being friends together, that's the reason why it always kind of go shaky in this connection. Let's take more cards here. King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Ace of Wands. You two are too different from each other, but yes, I do see that you are going to stay together, and that's something that they also believe and you also believe. You know that you are a different person and they are a different person. Like in terms of it's more like you are two missing pieces of puzzle, and you are different, but then you complete them. They complete you. So it's more of that kind of a thing. And with the deck we do have Six of Swords. I feel like there is only one way to have the smooth sailing forward in your love life with your specific someone. when you start dealing with it maturely, start building the foundation there, so it doesn't have any more turbulence in the connection. You really need to put an end to this back and forth energy that you might have been having. Once that is done, once that is eliminated from your connection, trust me, your connection is going to be super powerful. So yeah, I feel like there's a lot of love. I don't say that they intend anything bad. They love you, but yes, they are sexually addicted to you more than anything else. Plus I feel like they want to be with you forever, no matter how that happens. Like it's be that you fight one day and the other day you are fine, or be that you have a smooth sailing forward. Either way, they want to be yours and with you always and forever. So let's see the oracle cards now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. Listen with your heart. You are listening, but need to hear with a loving heart. Number one, again, I feel like you need to start from the beginning point where you build the foundation of a connection, where you get to know each other better, so you understand each other's perspective better, so you can have more fun times, less of the fighting times. And try to listen to each other's perspective when it comes to whatever that makes you pick a fight with each other. Once that is shared, trust me, everything is going to be good. Let's see more cards here. Sensitivity. You are extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. You might be very sensitive towards their emotions and your emotions for each other. You might be like going through some sort of a mini breakup, like you always have to go through once in a maybe week time or something. But then again, it seems like try to work on the partnership more and the connection, because that's going to help to build the foundation. So let's see more cards here. Let's see what else do we have. Affirmations will help you in this situation. Maybe you can start using affirmations about fulfilling love story that you have with your person. You can whatever it is that you believe your person is, maybe they are not they're being childish or something. Maybe you can start using their I'm happy that they are dealing with the connection maturely now, or something to do with that. Whatever it is that you want to make. If you need any assistance from me or my help in affirmations, you can purchase that from me as well. Check the description box for further details on that, but you can always make your own affirmations, which is definitely as to what this card suggested. It will help you. Happiness is the key. Try to stay as much happy as you can. I feel like you are happiest when you are with this person. But yes, I do see you guys picking up fight, that too unnecessarily. Take care of yourself. It's high time that you start taking care of yourself, be that your mental, physical, and emotional health. You deserve way better than this. If you, I feel like, for some of you, you might keep telling your person that I deserve better than this. Look, if you deserve better than this, then leave this person. You can't, you're not going to do that as well. So it's very important for you to stop living in your head around it, because you have a strong bond and it's never going to end. So it's very important for you to both embrace your true feelings, and you both could be egoistic as well. That's the reason why you kind of you feel like, oh, I deserve better than you, I can have somebody better than you, and then you are coming back to the same old person. So it's more of that energy. So you need to understand things better. Let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the read. So we don't have any alphabet. We do have September 9, ninth month, September, March 3, and May 5. These could be significant months, May, March, and September, or um, 5, 3, and 9 could be significant dates as well for you in regarding this connection, or maybe it's their birthday time or something around those lines. You just kill me with your smile. This person really loves your smile. Strong is beautiful. They do see you as somebody who's very beautiful and strong-headed person. They do see you as somebody who's very committed as well. Like the way you have been sticking together is something definitely appreciable. For some of you, you could be dealing with a Cancerian as well. Heavens are guiding your connection for sure. So I feel like this connection is going to go a long way. This person really wants to stay alone so they could think about you all the time. So that's them. They really love you, they really miss you, they really want a future with you. Whether they talk to you, whether they pick a fight, they have strong love and emotion for you, and they are kind of addicted to you as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are willing to get a personal read or any of the affirmations, like I said earlier, you can purchase that from me. Check the description box for further details on that. And yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care and bye bye.